What's up, y'all? It's your favorite artist, Artbychar, back again making a difference one brushstroke at a time, bringing y'all BTS behind the strokes for me today as I'm back in my hometown to vend for the second annual Hairchella event. But you know, the first stop is Chipotle because, yeah, your girl was hungry, okay? I don't eat meat, so I was there to get a sofrito bowl with all my toppings on the side, okay? And a little vinaigrette, if you know, then you know. I'm back, pulled up to Flint Farmers Market. Super excited. I love that this was the location and the venue for this event. I think it's going to be amazing. Here y'all see the Artbychar vendor table is nice and set up. The aesthetics is giving what it needs to give, okay? This is my latest collection for those of you who, you know, stay tuned in with the brushstrokes. Follow my art page at by Artbychar, the first by spelled B-U-Y. And y'all see I have my press-ons here, handmade press-on collection made by yours truly at itsthenailplug, yeah. And then here's some prints from my digital art collection. Y'all can't really see it in the background, but I had one of my Melanistas there with me. And, you know, before the show gets going, I had to go back and put some food in my stomach, okay? The spicy sweet chili Doritos and this vinaigrette with your Chipotle bowl. Yeah, thank me later, okay? And like I said, all my toppings on the side, please. Put the heels on. And it's showtime, okay? Y'all know I was really enjoying the vibes. They had DJ Kurt on the beat or whatever. He was definitely playing some good tunes, kept all the vibes going. Did a little henna on myself just to show the girls, you know, the vibes. And it was so pretty. Lots of people loved it. And here you see, you know, Stella might be getting her groove back or whatever. The girls was loving these cute little small henna temporary tattoos. I snuck away to the bathroom, you know, because who don't love a good little mirror op? It's definitely a look like it was giving what needed to give. And Hairchella is such a dope experience. This is the second one. Last year we were in a different venue. The vibes were still immaculate, okay? But this year, baby, they went big or went home. Stop playing with me. John J. Hair set the show off. Like, it was such a vibe, such aesthetic. I was so here for it. Love to see so many talented and creative entrepreneurs and bosses under the same roof. Like, let's really get into it. Look at this mullet. Stop playing with him. Okay, yeah. And I just loved it, y'all. It was such a great time. Such a fun time. So, yeah, thanks for coming BTS Behind the Strokes with your favorite artist, Artbychar. Definitely stay tuned for some more day in the life type vibes. Because, you know, your girl be on the scenes, even when she ain't on the scenes.